My name is Bill Bergman. I run an e-commerce store where I sell portable power products. The name of the store is Outbound Power. Honestly, it's been, for me, in terms of business, and I think even more deeply in terms of life of late, absolutely life-changing. It's been very profound. I mean, the group is fantastic. So obviously, most people join the group to learn the how-to of building a business like this. But even beyond that, there's so much wonderful stuff that you can gain from being in part of the community too. I think the community aspect is really what makes it so special. And it's been reinforced here at the live event this last couple of days. It sort of felt like I was in a knowledge vacuum. I didn't really know kind of what to do next to grow my store. And I really kind of felt like, honestly, I was out on an island just working all by myself. So joining the group, I got a lot of the how-to with the additional course material that John and Ben provide. So that's been great. Yeah, I would just say that, when I joined the group, my business has been going okay, but just sort of bumping along at a low to moderate level in terms of sales. This was kind of another reason why I wanted to join the group. How do I make this thing grow? And honestly, almost from the beginning of joining the group, it's almost to the point of an L-shaped curve, if you can imagine. Like I'm just moving along and then all of a sudden, whoosh, sales are just going up and up and up. So to the point where I'm basically at this stage compared to when I started, 3x my monthly revenue. Anyone who's interested in building an e-commerce store based on the dropship model, first of all, you should be in Dropship Breakthru. What are you doing? I know there's a lot of courses and opportunities out there that you can pursue, but this is the best for so many reasons. It's got the best content, the best information, the best community, the best resources to support you. And then to come to the live event that they have here running right now is just kind of like a cherry on top because you get to meet everybody in person. If you want to do it, you can try to do it on your own. You can try to piece things together watching YouTube videos and reading blogs or taking other courses that'll kind of give you part of the picture, but not the full picture. Or you could just sign up for Dropship Breakthru and get everything all in one. Dropship Breakthru, for me, has been life-changing. Dropship Breakthru!